In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make an abandoned cart flow Klaviyo. To begin, log into your Klaviyo account and look at the main left-hand navigation. Find and click on Flows. This is where Klaviyo stores all of your automations, including welcome series, post-purchase messages, and abandoned cart reminders. Once you are on the Flows page, click Create Flow. When the options appear, choose Build Your Own. Building your own flow is a good choice here because it lets you start with a clean structure and connect the exact trigger you want, without extra blocks you might need to remove later. Now you will set the trigger. Select Metric, and then choose Started Checkout. This metric is designed for shoppers who have entered the checkout process but have not completed their purchase yet. Using Started Checkout instead of a broader cart event helps you focus on high-intent customers, since they were already close to buying. Next, you will add a delay to give the customer time to finish the purchase on their own. Drag a time delay block and place it directly below the trigger. Then set the delay to 2 hours. This timing is a practical starting point because it is soon enough to stay relevant, but not so immediate that it feels pushy. Make sure the delay sits right under the trigger so everyone who starts checkout flows into it in the correct order. After the delay, drag an email block and place it below the time delay. This email will be your abandoned cart message, and it should remind the shopper to complete their checkout. Keep the content clear and focused, and make sure the design matches your brand so the email feels consistent with your store experience. To build the email faster, click Select Template and choose an abandoned cart design. Using a dedicated abandoned cart template usually includes the right layout for product details and a clear call to action, which helps customers return to checkout with fewer steps. When you are satisfied, click Save and Exit to return to the flow canvas. Finally, exit the editor and set the flow status to Live. This is important because the flow will not send anything while it is still in draft. Once it is live, new checkout starters will begin entering the automation automatically, and that is all there is to it.